The winds had calmed and we left Cortes Bay to Okeover Inlet, a short 9 nautical miles. We decided to anchor in Grace Harbour and found a nice spot to stern tie. There was a bit of slop left over from the day before, but it all flattened out when we entered Malaspina Inlet. Our friends from the motor vessel Touche joined us the following night, and we decided to head down to the end of Okeover Inlet to the Laughing Oyster Restaurant, which is about 4.5 nautical miles in the dinghy. It was windy and there were quite a few whitecaps, so my good dinner hair took a hit. Great food, great conversation. I really enjoyed the anchorage at Grace Harbour. It was very protected in the wind. There is lots of room to swing on the anchor as well as 16 stern tie pins. There is a rock in the middle of the bay which is not a hazard to navigation, but your anchor can skid along it before holding in the mud on the other side. There's a lovely 15-minute hike to a beautiful lake, and for the life of me, I could not figure out the name of the lake, but I recommend the hike. It's very peaceful and serene.